2,
2, 1.
Let's go!
Right now, me and my mom, right here, are at Twin Rivers Park in Stuart, Florida. She wanted to come down here to get some material for some projects that she's doing. She's creating miniature houses and landscapes from debris that we can find from the ocean, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys in a little bit when we get back to the house, but for right now, we're just trying to find some material. What'd you find so far?
Nothing really good. I found this. Could work as a really cool roof, or even to create something on top of this. Nice flat piece, so it'll sit good.
Yeah.
And so what I want to try to find is, it's not looking like I'm finding any here, right? Unless I clean that.
What do you mean?
Rather than just seaweed, I need like...
What about like sticks like this? Could you use this?
Yeah, absolutely. It's beautiful. It's
Okay.
a beautiful piece. I most certainly can use that.
So keep this. It's actually a lot warmer now that you get used to it. Barracuda right in front of me. He's just a little one, but still, that's pretty cool. I got no jewelry on, so I'm really not too worried about him. Just like a little tidbit for anybody who's down in, you know, these Florida beaches is you don't wear jewelry when you're in the water, because fish like barracuda will try to get that jewel from you. They don't know that it's not bait. They just see something shiny and they go for it. So just a little tidbit for, you know, when you're out here, just don't wear your jewelry. And you could just potentially lose it. Just no good for anybody. This sandbar goes pretty far. I mean, I'm a good 100 yards away from the beach, and I'm only in knee-deep water. So we'll see how far we can get out. It actually drops off about 50 yards in front of me, and it gets about like 5 feet, 20 yards in front of me. I'm getting up to about my sack, you know. So that's where the water level's at. Look, there's a crab out here with us. What was that? Oh, big fish. What is that? Turtle. Oh, look, and a manatee.
And a manatee?
Yeah, you got, oh, sea turtle right here.
There's a sea turtle right there.
Sea turtle right here, and manatee 20 more yards out.
Here, Audrey. He's only a little guy. He's only like this big.
That was cool. As I'm standing here in like 5 feet of water, a manatee and a sea turtle swam by. Saw both of them. Doesn't get better than that, honestly, when you're out here. All right, so they asked me if I wanted to jump. I said, yeah, we're gonna jump. Let me charge my GoPro a little bit. So here we are. And let's get a rundown of names starting at the end.
My name's Albert.
Albert, and then we got
Cody Dolphin.
Cody.
Carlito Enriquez.
Carlito. All right, you heard it here. Now we're gonna get in this water. 3,
2,
2, 1.
Let's go!
There we go. Fish found it. Fish found it. Fish found it. Where is he, back there?
Right there, you see?
Yeah. So before we left, my mom wanted to check out this tortoise that's hanging out right here. Pretty cool, actually.
Pretty certain that's the gumbo limbo tree. And it's beautiful.
All right, y'all, we're back at the house now, and honestly it's the next day, so as you can tell I did a little bit of shaving. I just wanted to show you guys what I was talking about when my mom was making her do-it-yourself beach projects, and really the reason why we went out to the beach in the first place, just to get some more materials so she can build more of these. As y'all can tell, it's starting to get dark now, but here it is. And honestly, I think she should start selling them. Comment down below if you think that she should start selling them too. I think they would sell really well. That's just my opinion. I mean, these things are beautiful. If you guys want to watch my first time fishing on a bass boat with the Hog Hunter Bros, I'll put that video right up here so you can click that and watch that next. I got a couple good videos in the works for you guys. Me and the Hog Hunter Bros, we ran into a wild hog in West Boca, which is crazy considering it's West Boca, and like out in West Boca you don't really see hogs like that. It's just kind of a rare occurrence that, you know, we just so happen to stumble across. So I'm going to edit that video up and get it out for you guys. But like I said, if you want to watch the first time I ever go on a bass boat, here it is.